Our gardens are host to a number of critters, and some of these munch on our plants. In this session, we're going to do an overview of some of our most unwanted garden guests. To get started, we always recommend beginning with a correct diagnosis of the damage to your plants. This can be done by contacting your local Master Gardener hotline, consulting your local nursery, or visiting the UC IPM website. IPM stands for Integrated Pest Management. Let's start with caterpillars. These are the larvae of butterflies and moths. They chew regular holes in the foliage, bloom, or they eat the entire plant. Caterpillars can be controlled by hand picking, and they make a tasty treat for your backyard chickens. BT or Bacillus thuringiensis or spinosad are also effective controls, but should be only used after you have tried all the other methods. Snails and slugs. These slimy nocturnal mollusks will chew through leaves and flowers of your favorite garden plants. Control can be easy by removing their hiding places, like ivy or weedy spots. Snails can be hand-picked and discarded, and there are a number of homemade traps that you can try. If you need to, choose an iron phosphate bait. This is the safest to use around children, pets, and wildlife. White flies, tiny sap-sucking insects that are related to aphids and mealybugs. These guys can develop into an infestation quickly in warm weather. Unlike aphids, whiteflies can cause damage to leaves. These leaves should be removed to help with the infestation. While they can be difficult to control, the best plan is preventing problems from developing. Yellow sticky traps can be used to control numbers and monitor your problem. Also, insecticidal soaps can be effective. Enjoy gardening and don't let the bugs bug you.